Hang on. Right,
Dude, when you've blown it up, I'm going to shoot it anyway.
this is our hoover. We hit our hoover.
We
You have to hit
missed that
it, Josh.
over.
Josh got to hit from here. Feel that hole from here.
Is it still on fire?
It's burning like mad now at bottom, look.
Mum! Come look at it, it's on fire!
Jack. Hold that. You hold that.
You shoot, it's not loaded.
Pellets are here.
Pellets are there. Should I get closer? Did you hit it?
No. Don't get close.
Should I zoom in?
No, sorry. Ready? 3, 2.
Hey!
Gas canister in there as well.
It's gonna go pop.
What am I hitting here? Whoa!
Come on, go bang!
Oh, it's gonna blow!
Dad, can I have a shot?
No.
Mum!
Oh, gas is gone.
Get these for you.
Gas canister in there.
Dad, hold this.
Josh, shoot for me.
Why was it loaded with no bullets in?
It's no gas.
Oh, it's gonna go. Look at it.
See you, Josh.
What? What?
Shoot for me.
Why?
I'm going to go spike up it out in a minute.
What? No. No. Come back.
Whoa! Oh, Mum! Please come look at this!
Mom! Come
Oh,
here.
Joe, it's glitch shot!
Go, get it.
I got it, I hit it!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Get a hose pipe, Josh. Get a hose pipe. We ate that Hoover. We ate it. Don't shoot it from there. Too close. A hose pipe.